Yeah, yeah, yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Aw, love you.
Love you. Thank you. Everybody knows. I was heating up for a while back here, yeah, just because I'm doing something sort of physically demanding. How's it going, though?
Oh,
Mimi, you're the baddest on the planet Earth.
thank you. And
I love you.
And it's midnight now, and you're still wearing this makeup.
I know.
How long are you gonna
Look
keep
at the
this
durability.
on?
This has been. We started. When did we? It's midnight now.
It's 24 hours ago. Oh, almost.
It's almost 24 hours exactly that we started this great makeup expedition. And here we are, nearing the end.
And
I think we should take it down just to this one.
You think so?
I think so.
Okay, well, whatever you want. But
Yeah.
Are you sure you're not gonna miss the other one?
I will miss them forever.
Okay. Well, I can
will.
always put them back on for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Aw, love you.
Love you. Thank you.
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, I'm the little guy. I'm the littlest man in the
wow.
world. Now I get
Oh,
progressively
wow.
wiser.
What's
as you go up the
happening?
face and
What's happening? Ezra Miller,
Sagacious.
the one and only.
I hold all the knowledge.
I love you, E.